So good morning, good afternoon, Crap to Cream here. So I've now had my eye surgery and it is Tuesday and still got a bit of fuzzy sight in my right eye. However, I just wanted to come up and get some setup of the wiring and what it looks like before I take it all apart. So I've got all this like this. So this obviously isn't standard. That's not the way it's supposed to be. I've got this little bit of this thing there, which is that's the back out of the radio. I recognise that bit. There's some speakers in there. And then there's this little lot, and there's that. So, don't know what that was. And that, to me, doesn't look standard where it goes arcs round. So I'm going to assume, right, that this is a left-hand steering loom, and it's been doubled back on itself and then made to do the right hand. That's what my assumption is. So I'm going to take all this loom out and put a standard right hand drive one in, because trying to figure all this lot out, especially when you've got things like this, I am just not sure where to start and where to finish with that. So I think it's better to start from ground zero. I've ordered a wiring diagram for a 74. So, and this doesn't look particularly standard, and it's a bit more bent than it should be on this side here. I don't know whether that's meant to be like that or whatever, but it's anyway. I've also got this unit, which is a Pectron unit. Now, from my Google searching, this has got something to do with seatbelt warning. So this is a seatbelt relay. So I won't be needing that, because a standard 74, as far as I'm aware, didn't have seatbelt warning lights. However, this one has got the warning light on the dashboard here. As you can see, fasten seatbelts. So I don't know. Unless it's a US thing where the US had to have seatbelts in at this age of car. Not sure. So I'm going to take the windscreen wiper motor out. So I'm going to leave the drive cable in there and then just take the motor out so I can get the cable in and out. Because when I did my other one, I didn't really take any good pictures of where the wiring loom went in the dashboard. Because originally I tried to get it in front of this, because I put this back before I put the loom in, and then I had to take this out again and then put the loom behind it, because otherwise the dashboard doesn't fit. So I've got a bit of work ahead of me there. So and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to rip all this lot out as well. So there's an extra fuse box here, there are relays here, and there's a whole raft of stuff there that's been rewired. So I'm just going to take it all out and start from scratch. I think that's going to be my best bet here. Lighting shouldn't be too hard to figure out. But anyway, this is just this is just a video so that when I do put this back together again, I've got a reference video of what things look like before I started. Because the brake manifold is over here, and that typically is on the other side. So that's been bent and an extra line has gone from the front there over the top to this side to convert it from left to right hand drive. So I'll figure that out and see where that goes, because there's two lines but one line will be an original line because that goes to the actual brake connections that go under the car, but the other one is to the master cylinder, which won't be an original line. So there we go. So that's just a bit of a video for my reference, and I wanted to see how good my eyes are. So alright, so I'll post this, and then if you can just make exception, and I'll as soon as my eyes are better, my right eye is better, so I can focus a bit better, I'll get into this. I might come up later on and then just rip all the wiring off the fuse box and their various relays, and then just get it ready to take out through the bulkhead. But if anybody's got any better ideas what that Pectron unit is for, if I'm wrong saying that it's for the seat belt, then please enlighten me, because I don't have any intention of putting that back on again. And I have got a new wiring loom for a 74, and it doesn't have that plug in it. So, and there's an awful lot of wires connected to it. Like, there's a lot of wires. God knows where they all go. I'll have to have a look. Alright, so that'll do for today. I'll be in touch, and I'll be back. So yeah, thank you subscribers and followers and all those wonderful things, and the comments that I've been getting, great as usual. And I'll keep you updated with progress. Bye for now.